This could be the final play of the college season, perhaps, if Clemson gets a touchdown to win it. Watson, touchdown!
Driving forward, diving to the goal line! A touchdown! And a title for the Patriots!
I can't believe it!
William on the drive. Pull up! Got it! She got it! She got it!
Her 7th down under. Her 23rd major title. It's another one for the ageless wonder.
It's all over. The Pittsburgh Penguins have won the Stanley Cup.
There it is, redemption for Golden State. One of the great playoff runs of all time is complete.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
Drop the bat.
Aaron Judge, your 2017 home run derby champion. The Cleveland Indians have set a new American League record, winning their 21st consecutive ball game. Over the bleachers and left. Giancarlo's hit 2 in the game. He's up to 59 on the season.
They're going to swing at a ground ball for Altuve out on the outfield grass. On to first. And the Houston Astros have claimed that city's first ever World Series championship.
That was the best version of what that fight could have possibly been. Conor McGregor deserves enormous credit.
This just in. Chris Paul is now a Houston Rocket.
Kyrie Irving going to Boston, Isaiah Thomas going to Cleveland.
The Thunder have 3 players that can get buckets on their own: Westbrook, Carmelo, and George.
Here's Mayfield, Heisman hopeful, wide open and complete. Mark Andrews, Baker Mayfield does it.
This year's Heisman Trophy winner is Baker Mayfield of the University of Oklahoma.